beach with Crystal, who's naked, and other people right here. Hey. Katie and Allison and Tony and Violet and Lily and Mary and Cleo. There's kids screaming. What is that? I'm gonna jump in the water. Where is my shirt? I'm a mermaid. I'm a mermaid. We're swimming in water at the beach. I'm a mermaid. 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 I'm a mermaid.
Hi guys, I'm Crystal.
We're so sandy. We're so sandy. I'm Faye. I'm Zoe, and I'm gonna jump into the water in slow motion. Get away. I jump into the water in slow motion. I'd like to get that giant shit. It's pretty cool, you know. My hair's blowing in the wind and it's so hot. I'm completely naked. Okay, fine. Guys, I almost just died. There was a wave. It was so big. And I got stuck under it. And I got lost. And I thought I was going to die. It was terrible. I got so sandy. My butt. I'm 15. I got to a park and I just kind of want to film us running there a little bit. We just ran so much. Here we go. Climbing up a big hill. There's the beach. Okay, I see the park. It's over there. Oh, what the heck? It's over there. Let's go. On our way, and some cars playing music. So yeah, well, there's the park now. We're getting closer. Rocks. There's rocks, and it hurts. But the park's right here. And I know what I want to do first. I'm gonna play on these springy animal thingies. Ooh. Last time we came here, I think I was on, ooh, this one's weird, but I think I was on a horse. This one's fine. We're gonna ride on here. Don't mind that, that's just my shadow. Yeehaw, cowboy! This is awesome. I know it's hard for you to tell what I'm doing, but like, this is fun. Okay, let's go somewhere else. I'm gonna go down the slide soon, so I'll film when I'm at the slide. And these steps. Okay, then we don't want the little slide, we want the big fat slide. So we're gonna go across this bridge. Ooh, party. You could have a party on here. Go past the old steering wheel. And then go down the slide. There's a Gatorade bottle, but let's go down the slide now. Ready? Go down the slide now. Whee! Ah, that was awesome. So now I think we're just gonna climb up the little slide because we're bad. Oh, trying to climb up. It's so hard though because I'm holding the camera. We're gonna. Oh, so she's talking. That's LOL Life and Others. Make sure to subscribe there. Someone's walking over there. Ooh, bridge. We'll be the troll underneath the bridge. Run. Running to the swingies. Ah! Let's go. So we're on the swings. If you see socks or legs, those are my legs. Don't mind the skin color changing stuff. Those are my legs if you see legs. We're wearing socks. I'll film when we get really high. So we're pretty high now and I feel like I'm gonna throw up, so I think we're gonna get off. So here's this proof that we're actually swinging and it's really fun and stuff, but we're gonna get off because I'm gonna puke. I'm swinging. I'm gonna get off now. It just looks kind of cool though. Okay, bye. I'm gonna play tetherball. There's my shadow. We're playing by ourselves like Napoleon Dynamite. This is awesome. Oh, hi there. I'm Octavia. I'm at the park. That's at a beach. I'm Octavia. I'm Octavia. I said I'm Octavia. I'm Octavia. I said I'm Octavia. I'm Octavia. I'm Octavia. I'm Octavia. Oh, hi, it's me, Octavia. Oh, we scoot by kablang. I'm gonna go to the bathrooms. We're running so fast. Over to the bathroom. We're going to the bathrooms. We're going speed. We're going to the bathrooms. We gotta go poop, so we're going to the bathroom. Yeah, I stepped on a rock. We're at the bathroom. These are the bathrooms. Closed. Oh my gosh, look at that ship! And we have to leave the beach now. Yeah, bye. Bye.
Hi, I'm Astrid and I'm eating Taco Bell and this is the end of the video. So see you later, I hope. Subscribe to LOL Life and Others and subscribe to us for no videos. See you later. Bye!